Welcome to the personal property tour for 109 Main Street in Lower Largo. This is a beautiful one-bedroom ground floor apartment. It's in a great location. It's literally just a few steps up from Robinson Crusoe's statue. It offers so much, this apartment. It's got so many unique features. Some of them are original still as well. You have communal garden to the rear and you have garden area to the front, and it's in a great location. I'm just going to flip the camera and let you see the location before I show you the property just now. Isn't that stunning? It's just beautiful. And here is the property here. So as you can see, it's this lower level here. So you've got the garden area to the front, you've got the share pen to the side. It is gorgeous. Location wise, so where are we? Literally down the road here, you come into the end of this road, you're at the Ori, you're on to then the Crusoe, Andy's store, the railway. Likewise, you come up this way and you're along to the Temple car park as well. So it's in a great location. I can actually hear the sea, it's gorgeous in here. So I'm just going to flip it and let you have a look. So as you can see, it's in a great location. You've got this lovely garden space to the front, which is quite unique. Robinson Crusoe statue is literally just here. I love the entrance gate, and these are quite unique to Largo as well, and you'll see them as you go through. But you've got this nice garden space to the front and also to the side here, which I think is lovely. And I'm going to take you on the tour. Love the knocker. It's very much seaside, but as we go in, you can see straight away lovely tiling on the floor. So it's a great area. Nice entrance porch here, so lovely for taking off your winter boots and shoes. But immediately the detail starts. So you've got this gorgeous cornicing. Isn't that stunning? Then go heading into the lounge dining room. Oh, it's nice and cosy. And straight away you can see you've got room for your dining furniture. You've got lovely features again with that cornicing. You also have a ceiling rose here, a lovely fireplace. You've got your log burner, nice big window to the front, and actually with working shutters as well. So these have all been renovated and are operational, so these are great. But again, just look at the view, isn't it nice? Smashing. So you've got this lovely feature with the log burner as well, which I think is grand. It's a nice sized room. You've plenty of space, as I say, for dining furniture. Nice sociable space, entertaining. And then straight ahead, we go into the bedroom. And again, it's a really nice size, but immediately you come in, you'll see features. The ceiling rose and the cornicing is just beautiful. Goes all the way around, it's gorgeous. That's a king size bed as well, so plenty of room in here. You also have 2 sets of double wardrobes. Now you'll see here the cornicing does actually run into there, so if you wanted, you could take all that out and open it up again. And the ceiling cornicing runs inside. But it's a great sized room, really high ceilings. Got ample space as well for a nice dressing area, as you can see. And as with the lounge and dining area, as well as having the great views from here across the rooftops and the skyline, you also have these lovely working shutters as well. So it's great that these are operational. Really adds to the authenticity of the apartment. We'll head through back into the lounge dining room. Again, just so you can see it from this angle, you've got so much space in here in regards to having a nice relaxed lounge area, sit down area for entertaining as well. Then go up into the kitchen. So nice sized kitchen. You've got your integrated appliances, so you have your oven, your hob and your extractor. Plenty of room for your white goods, you can see that. You've got your freestanding fridge freezer. You also have space for your washing machine, your dishwasher. Got a really nice large stainless steel sink here as well. Nice big window, so lots of natural light coming in. Again, a nice sized space. Lovely. And then from here we go into the hallway. You've got great storage facilities in here as well, so plenty of space for your outside wares or your hoovers and things. And then straight ahead we go into the bathroom. And again, as soon as you come in, you can see the standard of the finish throughout the property is great. I love the tiles, really nice colour. Would be kind of the blue sea look as well, which is great. You've got your thermostatic shower as well. You've got this lovely vanity wash hand basin. Your WC. Isn't that lovely? Nice size room. This is your rear entrance, so we can actually go out to the rear of the property as well. So as well as having the share pen to the side, you've got this rear part. You've also got storage under the stairs, which is great. So you come out to your little kind of courtyard area, and you can see it's just got some little quirky, unique seaside parts you would expect. And this was the share pen that we saw from the front. So again, great for bringing your bins, etc. in. Then from here, I'm going to take you up to the shared garden. So this is a great space and lovely to have actually. So you've got this lovely area up here. So you've got a nice seating arrangement here, and you've got a nice seat. Chosen for its position, I think, for all that sunshine that's coming out on the lovely sunny days. You've got all these borders as well. So it's all enclosed, it's really peaceful. All you could hear is the birds tweeting. But it's a great space, and you can just see the skyline. So you can imagine on a sunny day when the sun's a bit higher, sitting and enjoying this. So this is a personal property tour for 109 Main Street in Lower Largo. It's in a great location. You're literally 2-minute walk. You're down to the Ori, you've got the Crusoe, you've got Andy's, the store, and also you've got the railway. In the opposite direction, you're at the Temple car park, so you're right onto the Fife Coastal Path. You literally walk past it from the house. So you're on that, and it takes you along to the East Nook. Again, walk along the beach. You can walk to Leven. It takes about 20 minutes. I do it quite often. But actually you can drive there as well in about 10-15 minutes. You've got the swimming pool, you've got the high street, you've got the promenade, you've got the soon-to-be train station, which gives you fantastic commuter links to Edinburgh and beyond. And likewise, you're about 25-30 minute drive to St Andrews, home of golf. So if that's your thing, it's great. But actually even here on your doorstep, so much to do. So it's such a great lifestyle. So you're down to the harbour, you've got the beach on your doorstep. You can actually hear it, which is lovely. But actually, you've got the Fife Coastal Path as well to explore. You're close to schools, you're close to all the local amenities. You're about a 3-minute drive, you're at London Links. So it's in a great location. Lots on offer here. Golf-wise, you've got London Links Golf Club. You've also got 3 golf clubs to choose from in Leven as well as then going along to Dumbarnie and through to Ely. So much in regards to quaint and quiet lifestyle here. If this one's of interest to you, feel free to reach out. You can contact the team on 01333 421 774, or you can message me here directly. And if you'd like more information on the price point, etc., it's on this post. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.